Hi guys, for today's makeup tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a perfect smooth crisp wing eyeliner with 4 dots techniques, most especially if you have a hooded eye. So guys, if you are confused about what hooded eye is, let me show you. If you have hooded eye, you should see a flesh on your crease. Your crease is not going to be visible. Forget the fold you see on your lid. That's not your actual crease. Your actual crease should be somewhere around here, but if you can't see that, if you see a flesh almost resting on your eyelid, it means you have hooded. The first dot should be placed where your hood crease stop. The second one should be placed below it. The third one should be aiming towards the brow tail, a little bit higher than the one at the end of the crease, and the fourth one should be at the outer part of your eye. Then you start connecting these dots. Once you connect them, it should give you like a bat wing shape. Then you start filling in this space. When you fill the space, you need to make sure whatever line you're extending to your lid should be a lot lower than the wing. If not, that is going to defeat your purpose. So when you look straight, it looks well connected. It gives you this really nice, lifted eyes. When you look down, you have this bat wing kind of shape. Can you see how beautiful this looks and how it looks really well connected? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one.